Hi, I'm Joe Haley. You're watching The Joe Show. Today on The Joe Show, I have a number of different products here that would be great for your upcoming meetings, your off-site sales meetings. If you're going to conventions or trade shows, you need something to give out to attendees because you're exhibiting, or if you're sponsoring something at a convention or trade show, these are products here that you can put your information on, and I think that they would suit your needs. Let's get started with this first one. You got a spiral-bound notepad here, and I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's got a cool 3D image on the front, and inside there's a lot of note paper because when people go to meetings, they need to take notes, so this is something you would want to give out. Right, this next product, check out this little eggy guy. He's weighted on the bottom, so he will wobble and he won't fall over. And you're going to see on the back, you got a nice spot for an imprint. He's got a great face there to squish when you're stressed out. So it can be given to everyone at a meeting, put them at everyone's spot at a conference table, or if you're exhibiting, you want to give them out to attendees, you can just toss it to someone walking down the aisle and say, come on in, I want to tell you about our products and services. All right, this next product. Again, we have another journal here. This one's got a pen loop. Okay, this band here can be made in your PMS color, so it'll match your company colors. And this little button here, they can make this however you want it to do. If you sell copying machines, they can make it a copy machine. And inside, you're going to see that there's lined paper here, again for note taking, because a lot of times at meetings you have to take notes. Check out this, Andy. This is a celebrity duck. I know it looks like a bowl, but it's actually a celebrity duck. This is a great little product for destinations. This is Texas. You can get them all over the country. They'll craft a celebrity duck for that area, New York, Orlando, wherever it is. It's great, again, to give out as an exhibitor to attendees. You can also put it at everyone's spot at a conference table for a meeting. And the cool thing about this is when someone goes home, if they have young kids, they give it to them. It will float in a bathtub when they got a little toy. All right, we just came back from a trade show in Dallas, Texas, and there we had a women's summit, and all the women there got one of these lanyards. This is a special beaded lanyard, and it's a little different than traditional lanyards most people get at trade shows. So if you're having a women's summit or something geared to women at a trade show, if you want to sponsor something, or if you know that a trade show you're going to is having an event and you want to sponsor the lanyards, this lanyard would be a great thing to give out. All right, look out, Andy, incoming here. Ooh, right over his head. That was too high, so we can get in this one. Ooh, a little bit too low. Okay, I have a pig shooter here. He comes with a mesh bag with 6 foam balls. Again, a great little product to give out as an exhibitor. Also, this is a lot of fun to put around a conference room table for everyone. They come in. It's a little exercise, a little fun. Have a little, war here with this. I think it's going to loosen everyone up, get those creative juices going. Okay. Every convention center needs this. So if you're a convention center or if you're a presentation company, you got professional speakers that go around, everyone needs this. On the front, I'm going to show you what you have there. This is a presentation tool. And in here, this is a mouse. So it's going to operate, it's wireless, operate the mouse of a computer. On the sides, you have the ability to start and stop video, and you have the opportunity up and down to raise the volume and lower the volume. And there's also here, we got a little laser pointer. So it's a great product, again, for presenters, for convention centers to give to presenters. Now I'm going to show you this next product. I like the Argyle design on top, and this is a great product to give to people at meetings. We'll take off that first elastic strap. Hang with me here, Andy. And you've got an accordion separated file folder. And there's a second little strap there, and when you open that up, it's a 3-ring binder. So what you're going to do, you're going to load important information on the front here, and they're going to have it for the meeting. They go to other meetings, or if they go to a trade show, they want to pick up brochures, they have a place to put it in their accordion file, and it all just cinches back up with these elastic straps. Okay, check out this. Love this one. And you can see it's got a great design on the front. And on the back, and it's a little postcard, so it's mailable. It's an invitation to your upcoming event, and no matter where you have it, you get it customized, you can create this map. Say you have an event in Orlando, you can put one of the amusement park maps in here. Perhaps you're in Chicago, you can have the map with places to eat, nightclubs, also museums, any place. The Vegas Strip can go on here. So it's a great thing to send out to potential attendees, because especially in the summertime, a lot of those events, people are bringing their husbands, their wives, their kids, and they're doing a little bit of vacation in there. If they have this, they have a map with them, they know where to go and what to do. Neat little product here, okay? You can make a luggage tag to announce your sales trip to Scottsdale, Arizona. Everyone gets these. You have a nice little image on there. They put it on their luggage. They see it coming out of the baggage carousel. They know which one's theirs. And it's got a little easel here in the back. So when it comes back, it's a little picture stand for an office. So it can go right on a desk, and they'll be reminded of that trade show or that sales meeting. Andy, I have one more portfolio for you here. This is a bigger size one. Let me open it up first and show you. You have your standard legal size pad of paper over here, and over here you have pretty standard pockets for business cards and other handouts. But what I like about this, in front here, I unsnap this button, and you got a USB drive here. So how this works is, if you're going to use this for an upcoming meeting and you don't want to print out a lot of printouts and brochures for people coming to the meeting, you load it all up on this USB stick. So they get this at the meeting, they can take their notes. If they do get some handouts, they have a place to file them away. But the coolest thing is that all the handouts for that event can be put on this USB stick. And the last product we have here, these are called Wiki Sticks. And they come in packages like this. I'm going to show you what Wiki Sticks actually are. It's kind of like a wax around like a pipe cleaner. And it's kind of like a little sculpting tool. You can move them into a variety of different shapes, whatever you want to do. Make it curly. It's great, again, for creativity brainstorming meetings. Everyone comes to a conference room, they get these Wiki Sticks, and they form into teams of 4 or 3 or whatever it is, and they have to come up with designs. And I think that it'll help with boosting creativity. It's also a lot of fun. Well, those are all the products I wanted to show you today. Now remember, if you need any information on anything you saw here, or if you want some help designing a promotional campaign or advertising campaign that uses promotional products, please contact your distributor partner, and he'll be happy you did. Thanks a lot for watching. This is ASI TV.